I'm going to be talking about the latest additions to the periodic table, and this is going to be nihonium, moscovium, tennessine, and agoncium. Don't know if I pronounced the last one correct. Alright, so as you can see, these elements are located right here in the green areas. So their numbers are 113, 115, 117, and 118, which is the number of protons located in the nucleus. Alright, so these elements are very reactive because of the level of protons and neutrons in the nucleus. And what it means to be radioactive is that since the nucleus is so unstable, it can't hold itself together, and parts of the nucleus will actually break apart, and as that happens, the nuclei loses protons and the element actually becomes different elements, and this can be dangerous for radioactive reasons and exposure. And any element actually after the atomic number 83, it becomes unstable, and they're often radioactive elements and don't exist in nature as much. Alright, so now I'm going to talk a little bit about some of the elements and how they were named. So nihonium was discovered in Japan in the Nishu Center for Accelerator Science in Japan. Alright. Moscovium was named after the Moscow region, and this was discovered in Russia in a laboratory that tests heavy ion accelerators and their gas recoil separators, so that's where it was discovered, very much a laboratory setting. Alright, tennessine was actually discovered in the US, and this was discovered in the Oak Ridge National Laboratory and produced in a high-flux reactor. Agoncium was named after the nuclear physicist Professor Yuri Agoncium, and this was discovered again in a laboratory and in the search for new elements. So, how do scientists really discover or create new elements? Well, they create heavy elements by combining two lighter elements that together add up to the mass of the desired new element. So all of these newly discovered, or you could say created elements, don't occur in nature. They only occur in the laboratory setting. The reason why they don't occur in nature is because they're simply too unstable to exist. So yeah, those are the 4 new elements that were added to the periodic table.